Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbisani, hope you are doing great. Today I come forward with another information regarding the Tamil Nadu state and that too for the NEET MDS 2023. But before that, if you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming video. Moreover, yes, there is the WhatsApp group available even for the dental jobs. The separate WhatsApp group is available, followed by the another separate WhatsApp group is available for the upcoming NEET MDS 2023 counseling. So if you haven't joined that group, please join that group either by drop me the mail which is shown on your screen or by me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen as a sweet gesture, and then you can ask for the link. You need to register and you can join the group within 5 minutes. If you are having the rank of 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, we are trying our best in the open states just like Uttar Pradesh, which I have told you in my previous video that you can get the seat there easily. But not by just my saying, you have to use this also and this also. And moreover, your category certificates also, if any. So, for all these things, you can join the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counseling. Now, someone asked me on the Instagram that what is the benefit of that WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counseling. See, the first benefit is it is the fastest mode of sharing the information, the notices and the easiest way, that to a large number of people in a very short period of time as compared to my YouTube videos and as compared to my Instagram and the Instagram story and rest of the thing, right? This is the first thing. Second, you can take the participation as well as come across the different discussions which is going on and already done a lot on the branches, on the colleges, on the seats, how to get this seat, how to get that seat. So the daily discussion will be there and already done in that group also. So if you haven't joined that, please join it as early as possible. Now what is the third benefit? Definitely done the registration, so I came to know you belong to which state, right, and which choices. So definitely there is the personal guidance available to each and every candidate. You don't need to ask or just like, get panic or something. If you join that group, so already the personal guidance is there, right? Fourth benefit is almost it is the year process till you didn't get the seat. You can stay in that group, right? So till the end day of the counseling, which is nearly about a year process or minimum of 6 months, maximum it is a year process only. So you can stay in that group and can see wherever the seat is available, whether it's in Tamil Nadu or it's in Uttar Pradesh. That means the all over India notices, seats, vacant seat, everything will be available on that WhatsApp group. So what you are waiting for? इससे ज़्यादा अच्छा और क्या हो सकता है? So don't forget to join the group as early as possible. Yes. Followed by that, today I'm gonna talk about the previous year. That means NEET MDS 2022 fees notice which is released for the Tamil Nadu state colleges and that too for the MDS courses, so that we can get some idea कि what will be the range of the fees available, that too in the Tamil Nadu state and that too for the MDS courses. So it is a previous year notice. Please listen it carefully and watch this video till the end. First of all, in Tamil Nadu state, if you are looking for the MDS course, there the colleges are divided into two parts. One is the minority colleges and second one is the non-minority colleges. The two types of colleges are there. By that, if we see the seats in these two colleges, that is the minority colleges and the non-minority colleges. So in minority colleges, again it is divided into two parts. That means it has two types of seats. One is the government quota seat and second is the management quota seat. Now, if you are new on my channel, or if you haven't know till that time or till this time that what is the government quota seat and what is the management quota seat, don't forget to check out this video. I will definitely put the link of this video in the I button as well as in the description of this video, so don't forget to check out that. I have already discussed about the types of seats which are available in India. Now back to the topic. In Tamil Nadu there are two types of seats. One is the government quota seat and second is the management quota seat. For the minority college, and they are having the fees of two different seats. That is minority college. First of all, we are talking about that, and we are talking about the MDS clinical branch. So government quota seat there is 2,50,000 per annum. Management quota seat, and that too MDS clinical branch in minority colleges of Tamil Nadu, is 8,50,000 per annum. That is, this fees structure is the last year one. Till now we don't have any official notification regarding the upcoming NEET MDS 2023 counselling. So we don't know whether the fees increase, decrease, or what will be the fees of this year. But we can get some idea at least, right, by seeing the previous year fees analysis of Tamil Nadu. Followed by the non-minority colleges. Again, there are two types of seats, government quota seats and management quota seats. For the government quota seat, the fees is same for the MDS clinical branch, that is the 2,50,000 per annum. On the other hand, for the non-minority colleges, the MDS clinical branch fees is increased. Now it is a bit different. That is, it is the 9,50,000 per annum, right, per year PG seat. On the other hand, if we talk about the MDS paramedical branch, that too in the, again back to the first type of the college, that is the minority college. So here the government quota seat fees is 2,25,000 per annum. On the other hand, if you are talking about the MDS paramedical seat, and that too in the management quota seat, and that too in the minority college, then it is 3,25,000 per annum. Paramedical is obviously the non-clinical branch. That is the paramedical they used to say in the notices. Paramedical branch is non-clinical branch, OP, OMR, right? Now, if we talk about the non-minority college, again, we have two types of seats, government quota seats and management quota seats. So, for the MDS non-clinical branch, the fees in non-minority colleges, that too, government quota seat is rupees 2,50,000. On the other hand, non-minority college having the management quota seat, that too for MDS non-clinical branch, that is 3,50,000 per annum. So this will give you an idea that how you will select the seat, what will be the fee structure. Now we get an analysis that even if we don't know whether this year the fees increase or not, right? But at least you get some idea that itna fees to rahega, right? In the same manner. So that's all about the today's video regarding the fees of the Tamil Nadu state, that too for the MDS course, clinical as well as non-clinical branch. Hope you like this video. Hit the like button. If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, and please join the WhatsApp group as fast as possible, right? Now, if you still have any query, you can follow me on my Instagram and ask for the questions. Thank you for watching.